Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start now by gathering blank canvas and the 1-2 developer. Make sure you have gloves and clips. Work on dry, detangled hair so the product sits on the surface and lifts predictably. Once mixed to a creamy, mayonnaise-like texture, load your brush and begin in the back quadrant. Apply root to midshaft first to establish lift. This first pass sets the foundation, so move steadily. Don't rush the mix or sectioning, because consistency determines even lightening. Once you've started application, work in 1-2 cm panels so each strand gets equal product. You'll see why even saturation prevents banding. Make sure you use foil on sections needing extra heat. Foil accelerates, while open air gives gentler, more controlled lift. Check lift every 5-10 minutes and compare to your target level rather than waiting for the lightest possible result. If sections lift unevenly, reapply small amounts, only where needed, and you'll finish by rinsing with lukewarm water as soon as you hit your target level. Hot water can shock the cuticle. After rinsing, apply a toner or neutralizer suited to the lifted level to correct remaining undertones using the recommended developer ratio. This is what creates your final shade. Once neutralized and conditioned, blow dry and style. If anything looks patchy, do a quick strand touch-up or use a clear bond builder. If overprocessed, deep condition and avoid heat until hair recovers.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.